Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain you the introduction of software engineering. First of all, understand the software. A software is more than just a program code. A program is an executable code which serves some computational purpose, whereas the software is considered to be the collection of executable programming code, or sometimes we say that the software is the collection of programs which associated with the libraries and documentations. When we talk about the software product, a software when made for a specific requirement, then it is called software product. When we receive the requirements from any company or any organization, on the basis of their requirement, if we develop the software, then that software is called as software product. Every software must have some of the characteristics. Here, some of the basic characteristics of a software. A software is always developed or engineered. It is not manufactured. In the software engineering, we develop or we engineered the software, not manufacture the software. Similarly, software always resides into the hardware, hence it doesn't wear out. Whereas the hardware components suffer from growing effect of dust, vibrations, abuse, temperature extremes, and many other environmental maladies. Whereas the software never face such environmental maladies. So therefore, hardware always wear out, whereas the software never wear out. Although the industry is moving towards the component-based construction, most software continue to be custom built. A software component should be designed and implemented so that it can be reused in many different programs. Okay, so reusability is one of the most widely used concept and the most important characteristics of the software. So our software must be reusable. So modern reusable components encapsulate both the data and the processing that applied to the data, enables the software engineer to create new application from reusable parts. Okay, so this is how you can use this component based constructions. For most of the software which we built, we use the custom builds, and some of the components are which are already built, and we just change for bit, and we develop the new softwares, add the new components to the softwares. There is a difference between program and software. When we talk about the program, it is always in a small size, whereas the software is always in a large size. Program is author's himself is user soul. So user is a author for the program, and whereas the software is having the large number of authors or user souls. Next, program is a single developer. Always we write the program is written by the single user. Okay, so therefore we say that the single developer, whereas the software is developed by the team of the developers. The fourth is the adapt the development, whereas in the software the systematic development take place in the software industry. The next is the lack of proper interface in the program. In the software, we have well-defined interfaces and well-defined document which gives you the correct idea of the interference, and also provide the interface to the different modules. So coupling and cohesions also provided in the documentation so that we can define the interfaces between the modules. In the program, large proper documentation, whereas in the software, well documented. So these are the some of the differences between program and software. Coming to the software engineering, the software engineering is the application of a systematic, disciplined, quantifiable approach to the development, operation and maintenance of software. That is the application of engineering to software. So there are a layer technology in the software engineering. So we use a quality focus, process, methods and the tools. A quality focus. Every organization is rest on its commitment to quality. Total quality management, Six Sigma or similar continuous improvement culture, and it is this culture ultimately leads to development of increasingly more effective approaches to the software engineering. The foundation that supports the software engineering is a quality focus. So the main purpose of using this layer is to focus on the quality of the product. Next comes is the process, the second layer. The software engineering process is the glue that holds the technology layer together and enables the rational and timely development of computer software. Process defines a framework that must be established for effective delivery of software engineering technology. The software process forms the basis for management control of software project and establishes the context in which the technical methods are applied, work products are produced, milestones are established, quality is ensured, and change is properly managed in the process layer. The next is the methods. The software engineering methods provides the technical aspects for building a software, and methods encompasses the broad array of tasks that includes the communication, requirements analysis, design modeling, program construction and testing supports, etc. Software engineering methods rely on the set of modeling activities and other descriptive techniques which we use in the software development. And finally, we go for the tools. Okay, software engineering tools provides the automated or semi-automated support for the process and the methods. Okay, the previous layers, process and methods, are supported by the software engineering tools, which are automated or some are semi-automated. When tools are integrated so that information is created by one tool can be used by another, a system for the support of software development called CASE, Computer Aided Software Engineering, is established. So thank you for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe.